Open your GDC and press apps. Everyone, let's just focus on what is given on the screen first. First option is finance. So press 1. And that you should note down in your notebooks also, because when you move on to the next topics, let's say after 2 months, 3 months, you may forget also. So you need to note down also. Number 1, finance. First apps, finance, then TVM solver. You can see TVM solver, number 1. Yeah. So this will come on your screen, and the huge financial mathematical problems, solving of complex financial mathematical problems will become easier. You see N, as we have seen, N is what? The number of compounding periods in your notes. I is your interest rate per year. PV is your present value. PMT is payment. Most of the interest payments are made at the end of the time period. So PMT. FV is your final value or future value. PY means, P/Y means payments per year, payments made per year, or number of payments per year. CY means number of compoundings per year. Okay. Now, keeping these things in mind, let's say I want to invest 15,000. Just note down the main points. Yeah, 15,000 at a interest rate 4.25%, compounded monthly. Okay, how much is my investment after 5 years? Initial present value is 15,000. Interest rate I is 4.25%. In the bracket, compounded monthly. Capital N is not number of years. Capital N is number of compounding. So how many compoundings will be there total? Because it is compounded monthly. In a month, there are how many? In a year, how many months are there? 12. So in 5 years, how many compoundings will be there total? 5 times 12. Yeah. So 60 compoundings will be there. What is the interest rate? 4.25. Enter the parameters 4.25. Now, as I told you, present value means the money goes from you to the bank. So that will be negative. We will place a negative sign, negative symbol. So that is negative 15,000. Let's say 15,000. So that you should keep in mind. Then PMT, payment each time period, because the payment will be done at the end of the time. So PMT will be kept 0. Then we have the future value. Then we have the payments per year. How many compoundings are happening? 12 compoundings. So we'll make 12, and compoundings per year will also be. Find what? We want to find the final value. So your cursor should be at the, after entering these all values, your cursor should be on the thing which we want. Sometimes you may have to find the present value. Sometimes you may have to find the interest or N. So your cursor should be at that parameter which we want to calculate. Okay. So alpha followed by enter. So you will get the answer. The final value is 18,544.53, 2 decimal places after. Is that clear? We press apps, press 1, then again press 1. We can erase the previous values. We read the question. Calculate the interest earned on an investment of 13,000 pounds for 4 years at 7% per annum compounded quarterly. So how many compoundings will be there in 4 years? In 1 year, there are 4. So 4 times 4. Is that clear? 4 times 4. Compoundings will be 16. So enter 7%. Then we have PV, present value, 13,000. So negative 13,000. We want to calculate interest. So that means we need to calculate the final value first. Yeah, compoundings are previous. So our compounding period is, how many compoundings are there?
4.
Guys, 4. So we need to enter 4 and 4. Now we take our cursor at final value, alpha followed by enter. So it is 17,159.08 pounds. That we need to be very careful. Compoundings per year are 4. Payments per year are considered to be 4, and they are generally same. PMT 0, present value with negative sign. Capital N is the number of compoundings, not the number of years, when we are using TVM solver. Is that clear to everyone? Now this is the final value, this is the original value. So difference of these two values will give us the interest. Notebook, please highlight. In the TVM solver, if the question is on depreciation, interest will be used with negative sign. Interest will be used with negative sign. Apps, again finance, again TVM solver. Now tell me, how many compoundings are there? 5 years? 5. N is the total number of compoundings over the given period of time. Is that clear? Okay. Now next is, we want to, okay, interest is 25% depreciation, so negative 25. Negative 25. Present value, PMT 0. Final value we want to calculate. We can put that 0. Payment per year is 1. Okay, take our cursor at FY, alpha, enter 58. Present value. Alpha, enter. So 108. Okay, so final value from 458 will be 108 after depreciation of $108.69. Is that clear to everyone? A new sports car devalues from 68,000 to 26,388 for 4 years. We want to calculate the annual rate of depreciation. Compound interest per year. Okay, so we can see number of compoundings will be 4. Interest, we want to find the annual rate of depreciation so that we can put at 0. Present value is negative 68,000, right? Negative 68,500 pounds, and the present PMT is 0. The present value is 26,380 pounds over a period of 4 years. So payments per year is 1, 1, 1. Okay, so take your cursor, what we want to calculate, press alpha followed by enter. So depreciation is 21.2%. Is it clear to everyone? Negative sign means depreciation.